I sure hope mom and dad are settling into their new place okay. I mean, I know they love having their own home. It's one floor living, they have their own laundry.
And it's really great too that we can keep an eye out on them, make sure they're exercising and eating right.
Yeah, we have to keep a watch on that. And I mean, if they need us, we're right upstairs, and yet they're not sacrificing any of their privacy. 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, 1,400 square feet where they can live in peace and quiet.
And that cool finished basement would be great for when the grandkids come to town, your sister.
And we couldn't have it any better ourselves, having our own beautiful home right upstairs to raise our own family. I mean, the addition we put on in 2005 couldn't have been a better decision. I'll never get tired of all the natural light in this home, the beautiful family room with the cathedral ceiling. 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and I love our master ensuite bath.
My favorite amenity is outside at the pool where we can all come together as a family in the summertime.
Yeah, and Dad's, we know what his is, the outbuilding outside where he can putz around doing all his hobbies. Speaking of Dad, I think I need to go down and check on them to make sure they're okay.
I don't know who needs this more, you or them. She's gone.
So are you looking to share space without giving up privacy? Then 87 Beaudry Ave in Chicopee might be the home for you. 2 homes for the price of 1 with lots of extras included. I'm Realtor Amy Kelly.
And I'm her husband Tom.
And we're
your real estate professionals.
Until next time, happy house hunting.